And it is time to talk about events and festivities in what is my favorite month every year, October.
And why is that? Why do you like October so much? Is it fall? What is it?
It's like a no-stress time. You get into the holidays, everything's everywhere, and there's not enough time to get it all in. But for this month, I celebrate Halloween all month long with the haunted houses and you name it, the pumpkin patches. How about you? Do you like the haunted houses?
I do not. I do not love being scared. I don't like that.
How could you not?
Life is scary, Chuck. All right? Life is scary enough as it is. So Halloween has never really been my thing.
Touche. To each their own. We do have some Halloween events coming up a little bit later in the report. But as the region comes alive with fall activity, Kayda, we kick it off with what?
All right, so first up, we got Gallery Talk.
Excellent. Where and when?
All right, so Gallery Talk is going to be at the TCC Visual Arts and Design Center. This is a grand opening of TCC Visual Arts and Design Center. We're going to have a Look Within reception. It's going to be an exhibition in collaboration with Can Foundation.
Can's at it again.
That's right. We're going to be able to dive into the stories behind the artwork and artist's journey. This is going to be perfect for art enthusiasts and visual arts appreciation. Some of the participating artists are Marquise Bowers Dunlap, Tremaine Etheridge, and more. Trust me, you're going to want to check this out. Amazing artists, super talented artists. And
I want to jump in and say, I think it's fantastic what the Contemporary Arts Network is doing to bring together artists and the people who support the arts to really have, deeper conversations around the whole thing. And so that's TCC tonight.
It's going to be from 6 to 9 p.m. The Gallery Talk is going to be at 7 p.m. So,
okay.
Yeah.
Now, over to the peninsula, here we go. Fall Festival, Halloween Festival. Tell me more.
Yeah, so this is going to be Saturday and Sunday. It's going to be in Newport News Park. It's family friendly. It's a festival celebrating fall and Halloween. They're going to have a marketplace, Halloween vendors, wagon rides, pumpkin carvers, and more. Some of the activities are axe throwing, corn maze, escape rooms, fortune tellers. You're also going to be able to check out live staging entertainment. The DeLoreans are going to be 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. That's a long set right there. And other acts following like Lane Rice, Tyler Donovan. Man, Lane Rice is really everywhere.
He's from the peninsula. This is one of his songs. I actually got it right here. He's really got a great sound to him.
If we're doing shout outs, Tyler Donovan, his song Assembly is one of my favorites right now, so go check that out too.
Both of those guys, talented off the charts. All right, on to the creepiness, the creepy events. We have what, ghost hunting?
Yes, Colonial Ghost Tour. That's going to be in Williamsburg. It's a deep dive into the haunted past of Williamsburg, Virginia. It's going to be a guided walk tour through the haunted Colonial District. Family-friendly yet bone-chilling experience, so they say. Also, it's going to be suitable for both newcomers and regular adventurers.
I got to jump in here because Colonial Williamsburg wants us to stress that you have to purchase tickets for this in advance.
So don't just show up and think you could just all of a sudden get in. You got to have a ticket. Come on.
Yeah, don't be like Uncle Chuck and just show up thinking you're going to get in because they don't play on the ghost tour. I learned a very valuable lesson that evening.
Right.
Oh, and I promised I'd mention before we left that the Haunted Temple, Masonic Temple on Granby Street in Norfolk, that is now open too. You can purchase tickets for that online via the website. We have all of this information on a website. Why don't we just go ahead and give that information now so folks can find out about all these events and more.
Perfect segue, Chuck. That website is creatorworks.org. That's creatorworks.org.
Kayda Plus from the Contemporary Arts Network and host of Can Talk, which is their official podcast. Thanks again for stopping in and talking with us.
Hey, thanks for having me, Chuck.
So until next week, thank you again for listening. Thank you again for supporting public media in Southeastern Virginia. It's Morning Edition.